The main aim of smart appliances is to reduce the effort and time required for regular tasks and make your life easier than before. Up until now, smart versions were limited to high-end electronic devices such as refrigerators, TVs, microwaves, and other similar options. There are many products available to choose smart curtains, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best smart curtains from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Koya QL500 Smart Curtain System. Koya might be a lesser-known brand from our picks for the best smart curtains, but still, you should not miss out on the set offered by Koya as it offers many smart features. Coming at the first position, we have the Koya Smart Curtain System. This is a Wi-Fi-enabled smart curtain system that offers an automated railing system with motorized movement and adjustable curtain rod. The rods can be extended up to 118 inches, which is perfect for standard installations. You can also schedule the opening and closing time of drapes according to the sunset and sunrise time in your region for a much better experience. It works with all curtains that can be connected to the rod via curtain hooks. The installation of the Koya Smart Curtain System is pretty simple and does not require any special tool. The required ceiling and wall brackets are included within the set so that you won't need to get any additional accessories before installation. There are 8 smart functions provided on the Koya Smart Curtain System, such as touch motion, power cut backup, automated control, remote control, voice control, etc. It also works via the dedicated Smart Life smartphone application. Number 2. Astomi Smart Curtain System. The Astomi Smart Curtain System is our second pick for the best smart curtain system as it offers one of the easiest installation methods without any tool. Also, it will not damage the wall while offering a really creative curtain style with decorative tieback bands, and with the extendable track having an adjustable length from 158 inches. Hence, it is suitable for almost all installation locations, whether home or office. The curtain design is one of the greatest attractions of this smart curtain system, as it can twist into any form you desire, and deformed on the command. The curtains offer a high-quality design and attractive looks with their woven texture and decorative crystal design. It offers smart functions like touch motion activation, sunset and sunrise automation, and schedule setting. This aluminum smart curtain system works seamlessly with Google Home Assistant or Alexa, which can control it via voice commands. And there is an included remote offering simply 3-button control to open, close, and pause. Even without a remote, it can be used manually with very little effort required. And if you want a completely automated control, you can set up the schedule for various actions via Tuya, the dedicated smartphone application. Number 3. Ulax Motorized Curtain Rod Compatible. Ulax also has a great smart curtain set on our picks of the best smart curtains. This offers great adjustment options as well as a handful of interesting smart features. The Ulax motorized curtain rod is powered by a motor that requires 100V to 240V input, which can easily be arranged. But even with the high power performance, it offers comparatively quieter operation. There are 30 curtain rollers installed on the rod by default. As for the rod, you can adjust its size between 88 to 157 inches that makes it perfect for all types of windows and doors. You can also find a dedicated instructional video from Ulax for the installation procedure. Hence, the installation becomes easier for everybody. The included motor offers smart curtain tracking based on instructions provided by multiple sources. You can use the voice-activated command given by Alexa and Google Assistant. Or, you can use the Tuya Smart app for many detailed control options. In the app, you will find timer settings, weather-based configuration and geometrical location-based preferences which cover the most necessary smart features. Number 4. Electric Curtain Trax 87-244 Smart Curtains Motorized Opener Curtains Rod. Finding a customizable and adaptable option under a specific budget might be a little difficult in the case of smart curtain sets. But, there are a few brands like LAKAGA that offer just that, which is great. This is one of the highly adjustable options available in our list as it can be customized between 87 to 244 inches, which is quite a long range. It can be controlled by a wireless remote controller which is included with the set. Apart from that, you can also use the controller to pause the position of the curtain at any point for perfect positioning. Don't worry about power cuts as it can still be operated via manual control even when it is not receiving any electrical power. The LAKAGA Electric Curtain Trax is rated for an ultra-quiet operation as it works within the 10 dB noise range, which is pretty quiet for a general-purpose device. For the manual trigger, all you have to do is apply a little pull and it will automatically open or close completely from any given position. Other than that, there is a built-in safety measure that will immediately stop the movement if there is resistance in the way, such as children or an object which might damage the motor due to forced movement. Number 5. Home Supplier Smart Curtains. The smart features on the smart curtain rod offered by Home Supplier are pretty good for the price. With a combination of metal and plastic, the Home Supplier smart curtains offer durable build quality on an overall lightweight installation unit. It also features a high-quality motor that will offer you a longer lifespan and will be functional for many years to come. The Home Supplier smart curtains operate at a very low sound level, so even the automated functions will be quiet and peaceful. You will have multiple options for controlling the smart curtains that are manual control, smartphone access, and even voice access via Amazon's Alexa and Google Smart Home system. You get 3 choices for the installation of the Home Supplier smart curtains that are left, right, or central opening curtains. Hence, you can go with one that suits your style the best. The built-in movement control motor will remember your choice and manage the positions accordingly. Even if you don't have access to your smartphone or the dedicated remote, you can simply provide a little manual feedback to the curtain and trigger the operation. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.